Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Joe Day, and today is Tuesday, September 10th, 2019. This is going to be a haul video. Hope y'all doing well. So I just picked up a few goodies, and I wanted to share with y'all. So I got clothes, jewelry, makeup, perfume. I got a backpack. So yeah, let's just jump into it. So I feel comfortable with y'all, so I was in these and I found some BD underwear, and these was $8.99, and it's a 3-pack, so I got those. I'm gonna show all the clothes first and then do the jewelry and then the skincare makeup stuff. So I was in City Trends, and I went to City Trends, BD's, Rainbow, and the Avenue. So I found these jeans right here. Really cute tie-dye print. I think I paid $17.99 for these jeans. Look at what these jeans look like. So I got those. And then I was in BD's and found this really cute and it just says love on the what's it called? This was, I've already worn it, so I kind of look for it. This was, I think, $13.99. So got that. Then I was in the Avenue, and Avenue's going out of business here in Sacramento, California, so everything was like 70% off. So I got this cute top. And that's what it looks like into that. That. I also picked up 2 bras. I have one of them on, and they're just black, basic black bras. And I'm like a 42D. The one I have on, the straps are, you can adjust it or whatever. You can wear the straps. So, picked that up from the Avenue. So then I was in Rainbow, and that's the back of the bodysuit. But I got this bodysuit, really cute. And Rainbow kind of strong sometimes, but you know, it is hit and miss, just to let y'all know. So I got this bodysuit. Then I was in DD's and found this jacket. We getting our winter stuff together, darling. I found this black and white jacket for $9.99, and I thought it was really cute. This is what the sleeves look like, and it has the little fake pockets in the front. This is what the back of the jacket looks like. For $9.99, you can get it really cute. I found this cute bodysuit. I was in Rainbow, and I got this bodysuit. And this is probably going to be a 2-part video, by the way. So I got this bodysuit, and this was on the clearance rack for $10. They have this in this color, and they had it in red. And I was in DD's and found this really cute black. It's mesh see-through at the top for $5.99. I thought that would be cute. I think that would go really good with the jacket. So I got that. And then I was in DD's, found these pants. And they're just some basic black trouser-like pants. what I like, and it has like the what you call it going down. These were $9.99. So I got these pants right here. Ooh, it's hot in here. I'm at baby house. It's hot as hell in this damn bathroom, baby. Then, I've already worn this top. I got this from Rainbow. Really cute with the sleeves. And I believe they still have this in the store. And I think they still have the bodysuit, the multicolored one in the store. So I think this was, it was under $20. So I got this top. Then I picked up these pants. These are my Donatella Versace inspired pants. I paid $7.99 from a store out here called Los Feliz or whatever. Really, really cute. You can wear a black top with this. Like the black little spaghetti strap with a black blazer or a white blazer. You can mix and match your colors or whatever. So those pants was $7.99. Then I was in Rainbow and found this jumpsuit for $10. Nothing spectacular, but the sleeves look like that. Really, really cute. And it has pockets too in the jumpsuit. So it has pockets and the leg is kind of long. So then the other stuff I got, so I was going to go to a white party. I also have this outfit that I have on. I got from Rainbow. It's a two-piece camouflage little get up. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all can see, but I got that. So I was supposed to be going to this white party, but I don't know what happened. So I got this bra from Rainbow. And this is the 5 ways to wear bra. It's 44 double D. So I got that. And then I had got like this white bodysuit get up. So I got that because I was gonna wear it with like this white blazer. And then I got the white see-through visor. I also got a red visor to go with the bodysuit that I showed earlier. So this was $3.99. I don't know. Oh, this was $16.99 at Rainbow. Haven't worn it yet. And then the bra was $7.99 or 2 for $15. So I got that. And I went back. I got another black bra. So I got that. Hope everybody's doing good. So I was in there and I seen this jumpsuit. And this was on the clearance rack, I think, for $10 as well. And it looks like that. Really cute. Y'all can't see, but it has like red. And it's wide leg. It has red going up the side of it. Really cute crisscross in the front. So that cleavage is popping. See what I'm saying? $10. Rainbow. And then it ties around the waist, of course. But really cute. I know y'all really couldn't see it really good, but trust me, it's cute. And if y'all go on your Rainbow right now, you still be able to find that. So then I got This bodysuit that was on the clearance rack, I think I paid, this was $10 as well. So it's green and yellow, and it kind of drapes in the front. So I got that. This is what it looks like in the back. So I'm gonna stop the video right here, and I'll come back with part 2.